Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Easyship for real-time shipping rates. Quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To authenticate Easyship for real-time shipping rates, start by logging into your Easyship account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the API section in the main menu. Click on API keys to access your API credentials. Here, you will find your API key. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab and log into your e-commerce platform. Find the Settings or Integration section for shipping. Look for Easyship under the list of shipping integrations. Click on Connect or Authenticate to begin the process. You will be prompted to enter your API key. Paste the API key you copied from Easyship into the required field. Confirm the entry and click Save or Submit. Once saved, the platform will verify your API key. If authenticated successfully, you will see a confirmation message. Return to the Easyship dashboard to check your integration status. You should now be able to access real-time shipping rates. If you encounter any errors, double-check the API key for accuracy. Ensure that your e-commerce platform supports Easyship integration. That's it. You successfully authenticated Easyship for real-time shipping rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.